Steps to solving an equation with the distributive property. When you have a number on the outside of parentheses on the one side of the equation and then something else on the other side of the equation, before you can solve, one thing you can do is you need to multiply everything by the number on the outside by everything on the inside of the parentheses. So I'm going to distribute this 6. So 6 times 1x is 6x, plus 6 times 8.5 is 51, and that equals 123. So now I have an equation that I can solve with just 2 steps, and so I'm going to solve that like I normally would. So I subtract 51 from both sides. That gives me 72 over here equals, and I have 6x left over here. Then I'm going to divide by the coefficient on both sides, and I get x equals 12. When I go to do my check, it's really important that I go from the very beginning, and I'm going to write my original equation before I changed anything. And then when I substitute in x for 12, everything else around it stays the same. And then I'm going to evaluate this side. So I'm really doing 6 times 20.5, and that's supposed to equal 123. And when I multiply 6 times 20.5, I do get 123, so this checks. So I have the correct solution. So first multiply everything by the number on the outside of the parentheses, and then you should be able to solve it as usual.